So this is one of my all-time favorite ones because I've used this actually um, several times in a restaurant setting to like divide the bill, and also I've used it at work, so that was pretty cool. And this is a fun one. So if you've never seen these videos before, I have math problems, and I'm showing how to do them fast. So in this one, I'm just dividing a number by 5. So I almost always have 1-digit, 2-digit numbers. And most of the time, I'll have a 3-digit and 4-digit. It really depends how difficult the so-called trick, is to apply. Um, the idea with these is you have to practice a lot. I mean, I'm just a beginner, so you have to practice a lot to get good at the 4-digit and 3-digit. I can usually hang on obviously the 1 and 2-digit, obviously the 1-digit. We've memorized all those, right? But the 2-digit and 3-digit, I'm usually pretty good at the 3-digit. 4-digit, it loses me lots of the time. So, anyways, this is one where I'm dividing a number by 5. And it's one of my favorite ones, like I said, because I've used it before in real life. And so I'm choosing a 1-digit number randomly. Same thing with a 2-digit, 3-digit, and 4-digit. So if I press F9, those numbers get refreshed. And this black chunk here is the explanation of the trick, which I'll reveal after we've done a couple problems. So here we go. Okay, so 9 divided by 5 is 1.8. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So that one turned out just randomly pretty easy, right? Okay, 444 divided by 5 is 88.8. And 1768 divided by 5 is 353.6. Okay, let me generate some other numbers. Okay, 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. 64 divided by 5 is 12.8. 839 divided by 5 is 167.8. 1207 divided by 5 is 241.4. Okay, so I did those fast. I think I did them pretty fast. Um, Obviously, I do it slower for the 4-digit and some of the 3 digits. So let me reveal the trick, okay? So the essence of the trick is that dividing by 5 is the same thing as multiplying by 2 and then dividing by 10. And that's because 1/5, or dividing by 5, is the same thing as 2/10. So we're taking a problem that's difficult, like dividing by 5, like say you have the number, 43 or something. If you were just going to divide that by 5, it would be somewhat difficult. It wouldn't go in evenly, there'd be remainders and stuff, okay? So we break it down into 2 really easy problems. Multiplying by 2 is generally pretty easy. And dividing by 10 is real easy, right? You just shift the decimal point over to the left. You don't even have to do any calculation. So dividing by 5, really, if you break it down, is essentially just multiplying by 2. So that's why it's difficult when the digits get larger, because you might have to carry some numbers. Okay, but so let's take 64 divided by 5. So multiply by 2. So 64 times 2 is 128. Now divide by 10 and you get 12.8. Let's do 2/5. 2 times 2 is 4. Divided by 10 is 0.4. Generate some more random ones here. Okay. Well, these ones turned out pretty easy, right? Because they go in evenly. So let's do, okay, 34 divided by 5. 34 times 2 is 68. Divided by 10 is 6.8. Let's do a 3-digit. Okay. So this is where, we're going to have to carry some numbers here. So 467 times 2 is 934. Divided by 10 is 93.4. So anyway, so that's the main ideas of how to divide by 5 in your head pretty fast. Like I said, these require all of these kind of rapid math techniques. You just got to drill and practice a lot to get it really natural. But that's it. This is one of my favorites, maybe my all-time favorite, because the times that it has come up in real life, people just seem like amazed at it for some reason. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.